You're not falling apart, you're falling into place. If you kind of feel off lately, like you don't fully recognize yourself, just know you're not broken or failing. You're just in the in-between. This part is hard to talk about because you're not who you used to be, but you're not fully that next version of you yet either. You've made progress, but your brain hasn't quite caught up. You've let go of old habits, but new ones still don't feel natural yet. It's kind of uncomfortable, but it's also a sign that something real is happening. So let's make sense of this. Here are 3 mindset shifts to help you stay grounded when you're stuck in the in-between. Shift 1, your brain takes longer than your body. When your habits and routines shift quickly, especially on a GLP-1, your identity can lag behind. You might still talk to yourself like the person who gave up. You might even still look in the mirror and not believe what you see. That doesn't mean you're lost. It just means you're adjusting. And this is just what rewiring looks like. Shift 2, clarity comes from small action, not overthinking. You don't need a perfect plan to move forward. And you don't need to be 100% sure to take the next right step. The path gets clearer while you're walking it, not before. You're not stuck, you're just pausing. So don't let that turn into paralysis. Shift 3, the in-between is where self-trust is built. This is where you practice patience, not punishment. This is also where you learn how to stay with yourself when you're not getting immediate results. The in-between is where you prove to yourself that you don't have to earn peace. You can just live in it. You're safe here, even if it feels unfamiliar. I want you to know you don't have to rush through this part. You're allowed to slow down. You're allowed to not know, and you're still moving. Drop a cyclone in the comments if you've been feeling stuck in the middle, and tell me, what's one small thing you're doing this week to stay grounded while you grow? And remember, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them. Bye.